Alright, so I have here a very lightweight weed whacker. It's just great size for a small yard. Just trimming around the edges and that kind of thing. There is a wheel there at the, I guess, top part of the base that when you flip that down, you can very easily roll it so that you don't have to know the correct, length or height to hold it the whole time. And there's a guard right there that can be flipped down when you're using it in the standard vertical position as well. So I'm going to give this weed whacker a try and see how well it does. So super easy to use. If you've used electric battery operated weed whackers before, you know how to use it. Just going to hold in that safety button right there, and then while you do that you can pull this trigger and it operates very, very easily. Then to flip it into the other orientation, you're just going to push that button and then tilt this head there. Then that gives you a nice clean cut for the edge. So yeah, seems like a good weed whacker. Like I said, nice and lightweight. So if you don't want something that's heavy and don't mind something with pretty simple features, I'd say this is a good one. I recommend it.